Identify the different components of physical health. Third, know the importance of physical and social health. And fourth, know the strategies on improving social health. So, it's physically, which sports do you enjoy the most? Volleyball! Okay, volleyball, basketball. And then volleyball. Physical health. What is physical health? Is how well your organs and body systems function. Someone considered as a physically fit if he or she was not stricken with a serious illness. What's I stricken? For example, Abi na ko stress na stricken, dili tayo sa natukunan. Para kanindi, para dili po magluya ang lawas nimo. So, mostly kita na need na to o din na to ang physical health para everyday. I mean, kita ba, physically fit kayo para kaning everyday ready na to kaning para good sa physical health. Take the permit, kita kang luya. So, health components of physical health. First is physical activity, including strength, flexibility, and endurance. Like for example, parang ato ang ginakanya yung sports, for example. That's an example of physical activity. Nutrition and diet includes nutrient intake, fluid intake, and healthy digestion. So, karana nga ito ang mga ginakaon sa kaadlaw need to be had kani healthy lifestyle. Dapat kani kabalota mo take sa ato ang health nga dili gani sobrang atong maunit ko lang para sakto lang. Then drug, alcohol and drugs is the absence of from or reduced consumption of these substances. So, well, no, ang drugs and alcohol is sometimes makadaot po sa mga makadaot sa itong so dapat mindful po ta na mga
Diba ang medicine kay na belong siya sa drugs?
yes. That's kaya naman ko lang kasi hindi lang pagkasusahan.
Magmakadaot ng alcohol at drugs overuse ka sa alcohol o drugs, ano siya magadaot sa labas.
Next is medical self-care. Addressing a minor illness or injury and seeking medical care as necessary. If nahoy mga kinabati na dira nga mga sakit-sakit, possible, ingat tayo na pa-check up para mas kita na para paano ang lawas always sabi natin take care ang atong kawalan especially sa mga kung kayo mga sakit na atong mabatyagan dapat kinanglan natin dahil na sa check para nakadayoy tambal nga diba rest and sleep periodic rest and relaxation along with high quality sleep. So as kita as college student wala din sa anak kamalang na rest kung saan choices. First, physical activity. It should be a mix of both leisure and physical activity and structured. The example is, like ang yung kanina, ng hiking, biking, walking, physical activity, training, like mga sports. That's the example of physical activity. Structured. Next is nutrition and diet. The balance diet should be rich, carbohydrates, protein, fats, vitamins, and mineral sources. So, katong inakan ka sa elementary na to or sa high school na go. Ayun na din. So, next, alcohol and drugs, substances that alter food or other bodily processes should be limited or avoided. Know your limits. Okay lang, don't avoid. Pero, like, ilan lang, minimize lang. Minimize that. Next is medical self-care. Basic items such as bandage, and over-the-counter face-facing medication should be easily accessible from home. Like na mga basic one lang. Sa mga like ito ka na aid kit. And then rest and sleep. Stay in a quiet, dark environment and last approximately 7 to 9 hours. So, natulog na to 7 to 9 hours dapat.
Jun, klaro kayo na rin.
Oy, no ba ang ano? Victory kabaso. Tingnan ko ba ang tulong? Sige, Jelay. Sorry.
Social love. Find that you're asking to perform meaningful relationships. Give other people an interact, a sense of belonging or with your social health.
Social health na kapag maayo yung mga interact sa people or sa other your relationship with other people. Kung masok ba kayo ba, iban kayo manilaya, kuyaon,
Ang dali na kayo sa
parang ginis na ganahan na na sila sa crowded na kuwan, ang mga tao na sila na malungin, ginis na isa.
Dali makuyapan.
social health is also important to improving the health of our community individuals and empower to live healthier lives that live with a sense of purpose and belonging. So, ang importance sa social health is if dili na kani maayo sa imo ang angkon sa palibot. So, imo na siya na i-avoid na nimo at mas sa'yo pa para dili na siya mas worse.
What if ikaw ang heart? What if ikaw ang toxic sa pag-isip?
Kung ikaw ang toxic ang
Lagi-lagi ko na. No? Like, sige lang ikaw na. Kung pala yung kapali nga environment niya, kay toxic tayo siya. Ikaw rin yung toxic.
Galimot ka.
Galimot ka. Pwede ikaw yung pull out. Ikaw rin yung magpapaisip.
Oo, mas fun kung ikaw lang tayo kay kung sa'yo mo na namin sila ang toxic. Kung sa'yo mo na sila ang toxic kami daw doon na ikaw daw yan. So, give-way na lang ba? Ikaw na. Pero as good lang, kung may mga kung may mga environment, ikaw rin yung daw lang toxic.
So, dapat ikaw na ka na bilong.
Ang nakakasarap sa ilang part toxic ka, pero sa mga feeling, hindi ka toxic. So, dito ka sa mga tao ka, feeling mo bilong ka, para dili ba ka na toxic ka ba?
Pero, ang tendency, anak, ay mga mag-asipa, ay mga wings. Kasi nga ko lang po. Ay, may tolerate. Tolerate ka po sa inyo. May pwede mga mama.
Actually, tingin sa kapana na kailangan pa na iyahawa na tawag na voice or iyahawa pa tapos siya may kadalasan ng So, why it matters? So, how is the state of COVID now and being and the unlearning the absence of disease or infirmity of the organization? So, importantly, sa physical health and social research drugs na malamang hindi na ito ma-overpower ng atong health or hindi na ito ma-upload sa pag-meditancy pag ma-upload sa pag-sasok lang na tayo sa na so kamatay ko no kamatay ko na as ikaw nga tao is gamay ka sa mga kalingasyon na abot kay care sa mga self-food. Imo ang kinamaya. Kung sa to hindi mayroon ka, ikaw na lang mo apoy. Sige, for you, what is important? Your physical health or your mental health? Ako ay health. Sige. Yes? So, okay, ang physical health is my sa tawag na lulas pa or nan, pero kung mental health na ganyan maigo, depression, daghan na kayo ang anxiety and ang kagawsan na is suicidal. Naitapos sa ima. So, dili ka, and imo ka, ang physical health na imong tabang imo. Ang mental health, ikaw galing mo na mga tabang sa imo hangpan, pero para ma-overcome mo na siya next is, how you can improve yourself so this is task by saying of the data.
How you can improve yours. Start small. Practice your social skills with people you are getting know to build your confidence. So dapat one step at a time, don't try to change everything at once. So the more you practice, the more confidence you will have. Be yourself. You already have a lot to offer. So be yourself as you work to build your social life. So we need to magpakatotoo sa ating self. Dito dapat mong pretend to be someone else. Like for example, dito dapat mo, like nakakita na yan, nahiharap mo mong picture na mga circle yan. Now, kasi mga out of your league na, nahiharap mo mapila nga circle na behavior or personality yung mga ibang kitagpuan para makita na sa inyo. So, hindi mo na buhaton para lang makapit inside kay hindi naka-flow sa yourself. So, 5 people who share your interests already have something in common. It will be easier to form an initial connection. Happy to watch Elizabeth, the shared interest, saving interest sa mga K-pop na naglalagay na po niya na sa mga skincare. Kaya health, fostering a genuine connection with those around you. So, social wellness is simply about the relationships you have and how you around others. It is about building healthy, supportive connections with the people around us. Example, a person with good social wellness might have a strong support system of family and friends, actively participate in community events, and maintain healthy communication in their relationships. So the next reporter will be Local Health.
Oh! What do you need? For improving social health. So first is to make connections. Since social interactions have been found to enhance well-being, it's helpful to work on making meaningful connections with your friends, family, romantic partners,
Wow.
or others in your life. So making connections can improve your social health because it can help them motivate you para dili ka ma-depress, wala kang cheer up, wala kang comfort, diba?
Yes.
Like friends. For example, friends, depressed ka. Depressed kasi yung love life. Friends ka sa depressed ka sa yung love life or sa yung family, something like that. And I want to follow yung mga amigo. Guys, so make connections to your family, to your friends, to your partners. Pero hindi ka na connections nga. Connections are good. Next is to build healthy relationships. So once you have made connections, you will need to nurture those relationships over time. Strong bonds are an essential component of total well-being. So you need to build healthy relationships. Dili ka na magplastikan. Dili ka na magplastikan mo. You need to build healthy relationships to your family because family will help you and they will help you achieve your dreams. Without your family, hindi mo ma-achieve mo gusto. As well as you need to build relationships to your family, to your friends, or to pizza mo na inyo maka-socialize. Para good surroundings. Next is to get active together. After developing relationships, you can make the most of them by getting active together. So, maybe example of getting active together is pag-banding mo, di ba? Kaya wala kang matunanin, no? Hindi pa topic. So, maybe an example of getting active together is you go to church together, you make bonds together, nagka-socialize yung mga Next, so let's proceed. So, what is a healthy society? Anyone? I review, I say this, Samil. Oy.
Arcon.
Miss. Miss Salgado, what is healthy society? Can you please
Stand.
show us your solution? Miss Salgado.
Stand up.
So thank you, Ms. Salgado. So a healthy society as one that is socially integrated in a way that meets our basic physical and psychological needs, facilitating a sense of higher purpose. So what is your healthy society? So social health affects physical health. So physical health issues are intertwined with social health issues. So physical health natin is we're connected sa tuwa social health issues. And loneliness, a major aspect of social health. Loneliness is comparable to other health indicators including substance abuse. Substance abuse, kaya magsuyok po guys. Let's back your health. Responsible sexual behavior. You need to be responsible with your sexual antisocial behavior, di ba? Hindi kayo mag-overthink na lang mo nga. Wala nag-regline yung mga guy. Ano na siya? You need to be responsible to your sexual behavior. Next is mental health, injury and violence, environment quality, immunization and access to health care. So you need to be fine. Dapat so, all those studies are now mostly regarding the risk of social isolation. It is a relatively neglected issue. The researchers note sociology is often incorporated into medical school training, giving clinicians an understanding of how our bodies, mind, and social environment are interrelated. So in sociology, our minds, bodies, and social environment are like they work as one. So they work as one, and without if they sila work as one, we're miserably found. So if you want to understand human thriving, the social component is essential. According to an 80-year-long Harvard study, the quality of our close social relations is the best predictor of health and happiness. So for chapter 2, Mr. Maata will explain.
Social grades. Learning objectives. Find and explain posture and social grades. Know the importance of good posture. Know the correct standing and setting posture. Identifying the relationship with social grades to business ethics. And last is identifying social grades sense and good manners. So maintaining good posture. So Miss Flores, can you read? Mrs. na.
We often hear that good posture is essential for good life. We recognize good posture when we see it form as a result of bad habits carried out over years and evident in many adults. But only few people have a real grasp of the importance and necessity for good posture.
So maintaining good posture it helps keep muscle joint and bones in the right position, which can prevent pain and injury. Many people develop bad posture every time bad habits like sitting long period, but not everyone understands how important it is for their overall health. Maintaining posture can help with things like reducing back pain, breathing, and increasing energy. So, kita ka na is naroon ka sa good posture na to, except in one. And next is, what is posture? Posture is the position in which we hold our bodies while standing, sitting, and lying down. And good posture is correct alignment of body parts supported by the right amount of muscle tension against gravity. So there is a total kayo what is posture. So why is good posture is important? Posture important helps keep us bone and joint to correct alignment. So as atong body is ma-align nato mga bones na ma-align, masakto o align ang atong mga bones. Next is reduces the stress on the likelihood of injury. Allows muscle to work more efficiently, allowing the body to use less energy and therefore preventing muscle fatigue. So kung paano itong posture, importante siya kay kung good itong posture is makatrabaho ka o karoon and makatrabaho ka o karoon. Pinabuhan ba? Pinabuhan ka o karoon kung nakaibawa. And here, next is help prevent muscle strain. overuse disorders, and even back and muscular pain. So, relation ko na siya kayo. The consequence of poor gesture. Poor gesture can lead to posture.
Poor posture can lead to excessive strain.
The consequence of poor posture. Poor posture can lead
Posture!
posture dun eh.
Posture!
Poor posture can lead to excessive strain on our postural muscle and may even cause the relax when they held certain position for a long time period. So when you have poor posture, it can put extra pressure on muscle that you have stay upright. If you stay in a bad posture for a long time, those muscle can become weak. So mga kuwan ka, mga hina yung mga muscle. And those muscles can become weak or tired because they're being held in uncomfortable position for a long time. This can lead to pain and discomfort in body. Several factors contribute to poor posture stress. First is the obesity, pregnancy, weak postural muscle, abnormal tight muscle, high health issues, decreased flexibility for work environment, interrupt work posture, unhealthy setting, and standing habits. So these are the factors that contribute for posture of. So kinsa man ang quadrate ang naay poor posture, like for example, sa pregnancy, wala po yung ginabuntis rin.
Ikaw, Mark, kasi na ka na kasi.
How do I sit properly? Keep your feet on the floor or on footrest if they don't reach the floor. So, at the next page, ipakita na ko na yung
Again mo daw, Mark.
sa next page yung picture. Don't cross your legs. Hindi niyo i-cross yung legs. Don't cross your legs. Your ankles should be in front of your knees. So, namin sa front sa inyo ang inyong ankles. Keep a small gap between the back of your knees and in front of your seat. Your knees should be at your below at level of your hips. Adjust the backrest of your chair to support your low and mid back or use a back support. And relax your shoulder and keep your forearms parallel to the ground. Avoid sitting in the same position for a long time of period. So dapat stand straight lang siya.
Sunstraight!
Ay, stand straight.
Sure na ba?
Ang imong kuwan, ang imong yung hips mo ganun yung dapat yung level.
Wala ko man.
Level siya. And kanang imong galing back today is kanang mo straight siya. Hindi ka mag
Bako. Saan ni Mark?
mag straight ra.
Hoy,
How do I stand properly? Wear your weight primarily on balls of your feet. Keep your knees slightly bent. Keep your feet above shoulder width apart. Let your arms hang natural down the side of the body. Stand straight and tall with shoulders pulled backward. Tuck your stomach in. Keep your head level. Earlobes should be in line with your shoulder. Do not push your head forward, backward, or to the side. Shift your weight from the toes to your heels or one foot to other. If you have to stand for a long time. Like pareha tayo na guys. Same-same lang sila ngayon na atong bawal kang magkalingkod ka. And sa inyong stomach, dapat naka-aala ka. Yes. Stomach pwede na natin siya kanan. Martin mo rin. What is the proper lying position? Find the mattress that is right for you. Sleep with a pillow. Avoid sleeping in your stomach. Sleeping your side or back is more often helpful for the back pain. Right? Inani. So dapat avoid sleeping in your stomach. So dapat hindi ka magpapang sa isa na magkakadilipag ng matulog. Okay? Di ba laylay ka mga comfortable ka pag matulog ka. So dilis ko naman kaya na magpapatulog. Pero bawal ito guys. Anything in your side or back is often helpful for the back pain. So magkakilid. Okay? Kung maghahalo ka is malabanan ka na din mga kurumon ka. Ayan ka. So, kalabaran ng matulog ka is mag-side ng iyong body. So, next report, third, will discuss by Miss Martin. Mr. Martin.
Social graces are skills used to interact politely in social situations. They include manners and etiquette. So, social graces, mo yung mga skills na ginagamit kung makikita din sa mga kuan, sa mga social na situations sa mga business, ganyan ang mga kuan. Ano din ang mga manners and mga etiquette nga ginagamit. So, according to Dr. Drucker, the most important thing in investigation is hearing what is said. So, unsa yung kuan ani?
Who is Peter Drucker?
Peter Drucker is connection.
Peter Drucker is the father of the modern management.
So, Ate Shirley, what is for sure project? Tingin daw.
Balik ka na, Martin. Theory of management. One, the most important thing. Through actions. It means that one gonna siya through actions because communication, hearing, one of the senses is learning. So he means that actions is also a way of communication.
Actions and sa eyes po.
Actions is
So, there are 9 social graces that impact business relationship. So, first, listen up. It is critical to be a better listener than better talker. So, una, kung mag-ipon ka sa mga business nga pa, gani, is para ka na mas may maminaw sa juga o sa kamagpuan, sina kag-istorya sa imong side. So, second is main, ay walang pakmura na itong dibuhat sa interview, gani. So, yung ni Sir Makagatas mag-contact kung gani ka kung yung mata, the ability to make eye contact is probably one to more people than the rest. The first and second, they by many other social grades. Go, give everyone their full attention. So, di ka mag-ikuan po ang tanong po ano sila from Third, be on time. Provide the best opportunity for making a great impression by being on time. To be the first to arrive. So, kaya itong sa interview, hindi mo yung mga kung kaya nga na-interview ka, be on time kung kaya ito mag-late.
Very important.
Next is fourth. Remember names. It is all in a name. Paying attention during introductions, writing down a person's name and collecting their information are exact to consolidate any relationship. So, ikuan na kung kuan ka o business na kuan, hindi mo kung minutuman ang ilang mga ngalan o kuan o yung mga... para kung mag-sample mo, sila taray mo, ako na.
Okay, nakakita siya lahat ng mga paano siya ginatawag mga chance mo sa
Here is your Thursday. We all know how important it is not to judge others.
Saan ang Hershey?
Thursday ka na.
Chismis ka na. Chismis.
Jersey ka nagyahan.
Important ko nung nga, dili sa mga judge of others. Isa man na.
Don't judge others by its cover.
So, this is part on this. Eliminate conversation, blah, such as talking over people, speaking, mansplaining, interrupting others, or giving backhanded compliments. Eliminate conversation, Isa ka idea, tingin na po six.
Pass on addressing. Eliminate conversation rules. Talking over people. Ano ko? Nakagaling mag-chismis ka rin sa dalan? Kaya eliminate conversation rules. Pero ang
Sabi
people,
ko, Shirley,
just talking over people. Like,
Mansplaining.
one
That's
person.
right.
Para ba may kasulyan na ito?
Talking over people. Naabi ni Agin. Tapos, nangapabro. Wala ka lang magaling. Talking over people.
sobrang na yung mga ka pag Seven is understand the culture, global, relationships, form of the business or cultural differences, and acceptance. So, di mo kung ano, hindi ka mag-about sa iyang hampuan, kaya about sa iyang culture. Eight is acknowledge and respect. Acknowledge and respect. You never know how you will live life and how the person can change your future. So 9 is thank you matters most. Two of the most important words in your relationship are thank you.
Thank you. Salamat sa tanan. Wala kasing partner.